4b, okay? The whole point of today is to graph straight lines using intercepts, okay? So hopefully by the end of this lesson, you should know that at most 2 points are required. That's it. Find the x and the y intercepts, okay, from the line, and then you need to be able to sketch it, okay? Sketch a linear graph after you find the intercepts. So let's just get into it. So this is it, okay? Two coordinate points. That's all you need. X and Y intercepts. That's it. Now, just to re-clarify what the intercepts are, okay? So there's two types, X and the Y. Let's just talk about the Y first. The y-intercept is the point where the line intersects the y-axis. So this is when x is equals to 0. What you're going to do is substitute x equals to 0 in my equation, then solve for y. Now, the x-intercept is the point where the line intersects the x-axis. And this is when y is equal to 0. What you're going to do is substitute y equals 0, solve for x. You know how to solve already, okay? But we'll just talk about it again real soon. Now, let's just go through an example. I have my lovely looking linear relationship here. This is in the form of ax plus by equals to c. I gave you this form already, but it doesn't hurt to look over it again, okay? Finding the x-intercept. So, x in when y equals to 0. What am I going to do? I'm going to substitute y equals to 0. So let's just do that. 2x plus 3, bracket 0, close brackets, equals to 6. Now, 3 times 0 just equals to 0. So that just disappears, okay? So this just cancels out. Or disappears, okay? So with that in mind, all you're left with is 2x plus 0 equals to 6, and then 2x equals to 6, just like that. Now, if I bring that over, I need to solve for x. I need to get rid of 2. So I'm just going to rewrite it again just to make life a bit easier. So how would I get rid of the 2 attached to the x? Okay, so the 2 is the coefficient. How do I get rid of the coefficient of 2? I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides. So when I divide by 2 on both sides like that, I end up with x is equals to 3. That means my coordinate point is 3, 0. Now, finding the y-intercept is when x equals to 0. If you just have a read, I am now going to substitute x equals to 0 wherever I see x, okay? So this will now become 2, 0 plus 3y equals to 6. Now, obviously, I'm just left with 0 plus 3x equals to 6, and 3x equals to 6, just like that. Now, let's just bring it up top. Now, I need to remove the 3 that's attached to the x. I'm going to divide by 3. I mean, oh, what am I doing? Why am I writing x? It should be y. Oops. It should be y. So 3y equals 6. 3y. 3y. So divide both sides by 3. And I end up with y is equals to 2. That means my coordinate form is 0, 2. Now that I have both of them, and I have both coordinate points, I can now just plot these two. So find where 3, 0 is on my graph when I draw it. So right there. So that's 3, 0. And then 0, 2, which is right here. 0, 2. Next, you're just going to grab a ruler and draw a straight line through it. just like that. Just draw something like that. Make sure you draw double arrows on the side, indicating that it keeps going because it doesn't really stop. And that's your line right there. That's how you do it. Now, with that out of the way, you can start doing these questions. Good luck, have fun. Make sure you sketch the graphs, you scale it, and you use a ruler, okay? You must have a ruler. Use a ruler, okay? I don't want any wonky lines, okay? I'll be checking your work. Goodbye.